How do I keep all of my engagement on my page, but still post whatever the fuck I want? And I have the answer to that question. Boy! Oh fuck, bad idea. Okay, how the fuck are you guys? Today I'm gonna try standing up. We've tried sitting down. We haven't tried standing up, so that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna fucking stand for the entire duration of this video. What is an algorithm? I don't fucking know, mate. What do I look like, a dictionary or something? Go and look it up.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
As much as people pretend that they don't care about how many likes or how many comments or how much engagement they get on their post, stop fucking kidding yourself, okay? Everyone cares about that shit. Oh, I don't care about how many likes I get. Shut the fuck up, mate. Yes, you do. And there's nothing wrong with that. Isn't the whole reason of Instagram to share your content with as many people as you can, right? And the more people that you share your content with, the better that you're doing at the fucking app. Am I right? The problem I have is that everyone loves to brag about how many likes they get, but as soon as a photo that they thought they were gonna get heaps of likes on doesn't, these people always seem to find a way to blame it on anything but themselves. Oh, it was the algorithm. The algorithm's out to get me. Yeah, no, Instagram's fucked, mate. I used to like Instagram back in 2015. It was way better back then. The Instagram algorithm wasn't fucked. Now, when it does come to social media, I myself am no expert. But today, I am gonna share something with you that I have gathered over the past couple of years of me being on Instagram that's gonna save you quite a bit of time trying to figure it out for yourself. Now, if you're watching this video because you think I'm some sort of social media guru, you've come to the wrong place. And by the way, if you think you're a social media expert, or if your job title is social media expert or guru, you can go and get fucked, because no one is a social media expert. There are so many different channels and avenues you could have on just one single topic when it comes to social media. So there is no way one person can retain all of that information about the whole multiverse of social media. So, now that I've offended a whole bunch of people for no reason, let's get on with the video. Your content needs to be relative to the topic of your page. For example, if I'm a photographer and I want to run a photography page and I post landscapes, I'm gonna start posting better landscapes because I'm gonna start getting better at them, right? And I'm gonna start getting known for posting landscape photos, which is what's gonna bring followers to my page. But let's say all of a sudden I don't want to post landscapes anymore and I find taking portraits really fun. And I want to shift myself from taking landscape photos to portrait photos. And so my feed is becoming portrait photos. The problem, anyone that followed my page because I was doing landscape photography is now not going to engage the same to my portrait photography because that's not what they followed me for. They might rediscover my page after not being on Instagram for a while, let's say, and see that I'm now posting portraits instead of landscapes, what they originally followed me for, and unfollow my page because that's not what they came here to see. So I've heard a lot of people's solutions to this problem. Instead of you going straight from landscape photos into portraiture photography, you should try and challenge yourself and slowly shift from landscape photos into portraiture. But I think that's a whole bunch of bullshit. I disagree with that highly. Why the fuck would I want to slowly, gradually put myself in a position where I'm gonna post landscape photos and then I'm gonna post like a half landscape, half portrait photo and then start posting portrait photos? My followers are just gonna be like, what the fuck's this guy doing? Does he wanna post landscapes or does he wanna post portraits? So now you're probably asking me that $1 million question. How do I keep all of my engagement on my page, but still post whatever the fuck I want? And I have the answer to that question. Okay, for example, whatever it is that your Instagram account is, let's say it's Extreme Adventures or some shit, right? Don't just make it a page where you post to, make it Josh's Extreme Adventures or Ben's Extreme Adventures or whatever the fuck your name may be. And I don't mean you have to change your username. I mean, bring a face to the name. You bring a personality to your page. So now instead of whoever the fuck is following Extreme Adventures, they're following Josh because they know Josh goes on extreme adventures and posts these photos, and they want to see what Josh is doing, not just whatever the page is doing. Do you understand what I'm trying to get at here, or do I have to spell it out further? You'll find that the biggest pages on Instagram are run by celebrity names and whatnot. And pages generally do better when someone can see a human element to that page, which is a face. It's a lot harder to build a brand page rather than a face or personality page because it's easier to like a face than it is a name. If you build your page that surrounds your personality, it'll enable you to build an audience of people that like what you post. That's why it's so important to make sure that you like the content that you're putting out and you're not just trying to fit into Instagram trends. If you post content that you like, then you will build the following of people that are like-minded. And once you start building that following, it doesn't matter what you want to post because those people are going to accept the content that you post no matter what it is. Once you start to include more personality in your page, your engagement will skyrocket and enable you to beat the algorithm in a sense. This might sound good on paper, and it's a lot easier said than done. It takes a lot of time and a lot of dedication to build a rabid fan base. That's pretty much it for me today, guys. I hope I taught you something new today, and I hope I helped you out. And with that all said and done, I will see you next time. Ah, you thought I was done. It's that time of the fucking video. Okay. The winners are being announced on the 3rd of September. I think you guys have like a week left to enter. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're already subscribed, that means you're already in the running to win one of these prints. It's super fucking simple. Hit that red button and you might win some free shit.